number one. This month, the month of November's number one song. Now, before I tell you the number one song, you guys remember every week in December, every Tuesday is Top 10 Tuesday. I need music. Send me your music so we can add you to the countdown. Every week in December, Top 10 Tuesday, $100 cash out to the top 10 song, okay? The number one song. All right, here we go. That's my brother. Hey, brother. Okay, guys, here we go. Number one song. The number one song, drum roll, please. I don't have a drum roll, but here we go. Noland Pruitt, I Belong to You. Listen, this song is real churchy. Get ready. It's amazing.